All right, let's dive right into this explainer. It's time to build your 10-minute cyber survival guide.
So, be honest. Are you actually prepared for today's digital threats, or just kind of hoping for the best?
We're jumping straight into 3 tactical modules to get you street smart. Ready? Let's gear up and go.
Module 1. Look, hackers don't use magic. The reality? They rely on highly structured, totally predictable playbooks. Enter the MIT ATT&CK framework. By learning their 14 specific tactics, you can spot attacks miles away. Module 2 is social engineering. And listen, attackers don't break in anymore. They literally just log in. Your biggest vulnerability isn't technical at all. It's rushing and clicking a fake link or rogue consent request. Pros actually aim to keep their organization's phish-prone rate under 5%. That's the standard we want. Module 3, Response Protocol. If you do click a sketchy link, panic is absolutely your worst enemy. Instead, lean on the 6-phase sans PICERL method. It's a structured, beginner-friendly way to survive any incident. A rookie mistake? Shutting off your monitor. Pro containment means immediately disconnecting from Wi-Fi to lock them out. Okay, so now you can survive, but are you ready to get paid hunting threats for top companies? Meet the 21-day Cognitive SOC Masterclass. This 168-hour program completely transforms you from survivor to professional. You'll build labs, write detection as code, do forensics, and even deploy agentic AI copilots. It's the real deal. Go grab this complimentary course right now. Initiate the protocol by visiting each1teach.1/soctraining21.html. So here's the ultimate question. Are you going to remain a target, or will you become the hunter?